this question. Venn diagram. Survey, can you read this one?
Correct. A survey of 30 people found that 21 like AFL and 12 like soccer, versus 7 people like both AFL and soccer, and 4 like neither AFL nor soccer. Okay.
Construct Venn diagram. Okay. Can you do quickly? Okay, fill the blanks.
Okay.
You want to do it me this one?
Oh yeah, okay.
The 30 people, right?
Wait, hold on.
Where should?
Wait, I'm just writing it. Hold on. What time do we finish the class? Because I have to continue working on my maths assignment because it's due tomorrow.
Oh yeah, 9:30.
Okay. I drew everything. So it says that 21 people like AFL and 12 like soccer. And then also 7 people like both AFL and soccer, and 4 like neither AFL nor soccer.
The 7 here, right?
Yeah.
And 30 in the here or outside? Total.
Okay, that's the amount.
That's total here, 30. Right?
At the top right, at the top of it?
Yeah.
Okay.
And found that 21 like AFL. That's mean here, total 21. 12 like soccer. That's been 21 here. 12 here. We will write on the top. That's been here. Only AFL how much? 21 minus 7, 14. Right? And soccer only 12 minus 7, 5. If you added this all together, 14 plus 7, 21, this circle, plus another 5, 26. How much outside? 4. Right? 30 volt. This circle added. When you add, we don't add 21 and 12. That is on the border fence. Inside the circle number, we count 12 plus 7, 21 plus 5, 26 plus 4, 30. Right now, we all know all the numbers like AFL or soccer. AFL or soccer. What do you
mean? So like both?
They can be AFL or they can be soccer. That's mean?
Yeah.
Added together, right?
Yeah.
Only don't like 4. That means 30 minus 4, 26. Do not like soccer. That means soccer circle, take the soccer circle, whatever the outside. Here 12, that means 18. 30 minus 12. Right? You got it?
20 minus 30 minus.
Yeah, 18. It includes these 4 also. Either they don't like AFL, but they don't like soccer too. Like only AFL. What is it like only AFL? Only AFL. That's easy question.
Sorry, 14.
14, yeah. Okay, next one. The one of the 30 people was randomly selected. That means probability. PR means probability. Like AFL and soccer. That means both. What is the probability? Like AFL and soccer.
26.
6?
26.
That means either AFL or soccer. Here
7.
And yeah, 7 out of, because probability, 7 out of 30, right?
Yeah.
Next one, like neither AFL nor the soccer. That means they like or not? Like neither.
That means nothing.
Nothing. That means outside. This is AFL or soccer. This 4, right? 4 out of 30. Next one, probability like only soccer. 7 or 5. Like only
5.
5. 5 out of 30.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. We stop now. Huh? Yeah.
Yeah. So the homework is 9. What was it? 9K and 9B.
And there are a few chapters.
And then 9B.
And yeah, we didn't do the one question. But even you can try 9B also. Right?
Okay.
Okay, 9K and 9B. Okay, good night. And all the best for the assignment.
Thank you.
Bye.
Good night. Bye.